G'day troopers. Today we're going to try to polish up my tail light on my XV Virago 750 84 model. Yeah, never been imported into Australia, I know, blah blah blah. We'll just polish this thing up and we'll see how it comes up. It's a little bit matty, wet and dry sandpaper. Let's see how that goes. It cannot be any worse than this when I finish. Wet and dry 1200 P sandpaper. So now we polish the light with 1500 grit sandpaper just to make it smoother. You can see the dirt coming off, or the dust, or scrapings, whatever you call them. So this is how the light turned out after sanding it down with 1500 grit paper. It's still a little bit lackluster, but look at this. WD-4E. Since I'm right-handed, look at that. It just comes up so clean. Look at this. Look at this. Like new. Definitely better than it was before. Thanks for watching, troopers. Until next time.